So comparison of boiling point of different functional groups as per their molecular masses. We are considering here few functional groups: alkane, ether, aldehyde, ketone, and alcohol. What is the difference in their boiling points if we consider the compounds having almost similar molecular masses? So let's take some important members of each group, one member of each group. For example, the first one taken is butane. Butane's molecular formula is C4H10. It is member of alkane, and the molecular mass of methane 12 forza 48 and 1 tenza 10. So total is 58 molecular mass, 58 gram per mole of butane. Another one, if we consider friends from ether, so if methoxyethane, methoxyethane, it's CH3O C2H5. This is methyl oxyethane, methoxyethane. If we consider the molecular mass, carbon 12, hydrogen 1 3 is 3, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 16, 31, 31 plus 24, that is 55, and 5, that is 60. So molecular mass is 60. Third member, friends, we are considering here is for aldehyde. In aldehyde, the appropriate molecular mass is taken for propanol. So the molecular formula of propanol CH3, CH2, CHO, 3 carbons. So 1, 2, 3 carbon, 12 3 ja 36 plus 6 hydrogens. So 36 plus 6, 42. 42 plus 16 of oxygen, it's 58. So molecular mass is 58. This is for friends aldehyde. Fourth member is for ketone functional group, and the compound we take is acetone or propanone. It's CH3CO CH3. 3 carbons, 12 3 are 36, plus 6 hydrogens, 42, plus 1 oxygen, once again 58. This is the molecular mass. And the last member is taken from alcohol functional group having 3 carbons, that is propane 1 all, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. 1, 2, 3 carbon, 36 plus 3, 39, 41, 43, 44, and 16, that is 60. So you can see here the molecular masses are very close, and these compounds are selected as per their nearby molecular masses. Now friends, if we consider their properties of their boiling point, which compound having highest boiling point and which have the least? In that case, friends, alcohol is the highest one. The boiling point of alcohol is highest due to intermolecular hydrogen bond as well as partial positive and partial negative charges present in it. And that's why, friends, alcohol having the highest melting or boiling point. Here we are discussing only boiling point. So alcohol is number one because two type of bonds are present in it, partial positive, partial negative, that is polarity present in it, as well as intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present in alcohol, and that's why it is highest one. Then on second number, friends, ketone comes. Ketones molecular masses are also same here, nearby here, and ketones boiling point are compared to alcohol less, but they are on the second number in the taken groups, friends. On third number, it is very close, aldehydes. Aldehydes molecular mass is less than that of ketone, friends, but it is more than that of ether and alkane. Then, friends, the fourth member is ether, and the last member is, friends, alkane. So there are five members, five functional groups are there. Molecular masses you don't have to remember, friends, but I give you the data only for information. Molecular masses of all these compounds. So propane 1 all has highest 370 Kelvin molecular mass, sorry, boiling point. Then, friends, ketone has the lower than that of 370. It is 329 Kelvin. This is boiling point data, friends. Then aldehyde propanol has somewhat 322. It is very close to, friends, ketone. There is a little difference between these two because they are almost same. Aldehyde and ketone always to be studied together. Friends, then ether is there. In ether, the boiling point is decreased, but it is 281 Kelvin, and this is just 273. So you can see this data is compared, or we can make a increasing or decreasing. Here it is decreasing order of their boiling points. Okay. One more last thing, friends. In alcohol and in ketone, you can see this is ketone, partial positive, negative charge is present, polarity is present. Here, carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen, three atoms are there. But compared to ketone, they are little less stable because one side of carbon, hydrogen is present. Here on one side oxygen, and both side two more carbons are present. In ether, friends, oxygen and hydrogen are not attached. In ether, especially, COC bond is there, three hydrogen, and this is CH, 3 CH2 CH3. So here intermolecular hydrogen bond is absent. That's why its melting boiling points are less than that of alcohol and aldehyde and ketones. So this is the important term of boiling points, friends. Remember, this term of boiling point and melting point decreases in a specific way.